Today I'm going to be reviewing this VEEPEAK 12 volt battery tester, and I'm going to show you exactly how to use it. So this tester is really nice because you get all these different functions, and these are the scroll buttons. They actually press in really nice. It's really slim. You can just throw this thing in your car, and then you get some really nice positive and negative, and they're color coded and protected. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is hook up the positive to positive and the negative to negative. Okay, so we got the options here on the screen: battery test, cranking test, charging test, review. We are gonna hit the battery test. I'm gonna hit okay. And for me, I have an AGM flat plate. You have all these different options. So you just wanna research which battery belongs to your car, and then you'll be able to do a proper test. So I'm just gonna hit okay, and mine is gonna be SAE. You can look on the battery, guys, it's pretty clear. EN, CCA, cold cranking amps. So you wanna make sure that this is gonna be correct. Mine's the SAE. My amps are going to be 680, and I'm just going to go ahead and test that. You can adjust it to whatever you want, and it's nice because you can hold this in and it'll just fly to the exact spot that you want very fast. And I do like that, so you're not sitting here pressing a button. Hit OK, and then it's going to do the test. It's going to run very quickly. So there you go. It says that 85%, 90% on my battery, 12.7, and my cold cranking amps are 627 out of 680. So it tells me it's a good battery, and now I know that everything's all good and I don't have to worry. It's nice to have this in your car. Check your battery periodically just in case. That's it. I love this thing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.